Hey guys, so this is it. I promised you I'd show that trailer. So I got this thing. Actually, I got it for free about 18 months ago, and the outside's just dirty. It just needs to be pressure washed. But we had to move it here to this spot, and we moved it. We put the underpinning on it. It's been rented for about 18 months. I had not really went inside this thing. The guy rented it. He never called me for anything. He basically stayed here. It's a park. It's a rented lot, and anyway, yeah, I was gonna do a quick video, you guys, for you guys to see the inside of it and see what happened. But this is, typical. This is actually not a bad move out here at all. So there's a few things here, like there's a broken window here. Probably needs to be pressure washed on the outside. This little flower bed thing's gonna go. Left some stuff. Apparently it was burning his trash there in the yard, but it's a broken window there. Nothing bad, nothing real bad. Nothing real bad. So let's see. So this is the living room. Actually, the kitchen. It's actually got real hardwood floors. Probably could reseal them or something. It looks like it's painted and some paint got taken down. I don't remember that being my refrigerator, just because I remember it fitting in the hole. The window's not broken. He just had something sitting in front of it. But kitchen cabinets are real wood. This is an older mobile home. And one of the things about older mobile homes is a lot of the studs and floors and stuff hitting the press board. This has some really neat looking built-ins, but there's a cabinet door missing right there and a drawer missing on this side. So I don't know what we're going to do with that yet. But left this couch. We got to figure out what to do with that. And they put this film over the windows. I guess instead of buying curtains, maybe it was cheaper to put whatever that is over it. Yeah, so the roof looks good, ceiling looks good at least. Yeah, the floor is solid. Actually, even the carpet probably just needs to be cleaned. It doesn't even look that bad. This window right here apparently got broken and they tried to replace it, but it's just plastic over. Well, it's a piece of plexiglass, and then there's a piece of plastic over it. Look at that. I don't know what that is, but we'll figure that out there. So this is probably one of the oddest things. They took out the light, and they took out the light switch. I don't really know what that was about, but anyway, this thing had this window, and there's the broken window right there. So, but this thing had like this built-in shelving thing, which they left. Look, they had some speaker wires or something set up here, and but that isn't too bad. Isn't too bad. Probably the worst thing is the tub looks like it was falling. And it looks gross, but the tub looks like it was falling. And it looks like there was some kind of funky patch job done on the tub, so we'll probably have to replace that. One of the things I hate replacing these tubs, one of the reasons is because it's only a 53-inch tub. But and a lot of them are actually aluminum. But this one looks like it's got something going on there in the corner. It's got probably a floor joist or something. It looks like it's settled down some. But yeah, the whole bathroom needs a little bit of attention, looks like. But yeah, the doors have been taken off the hinges. But anyway, the window's not broken. They just screwed a board up there. But guys, if you like these videos and want me to do more of them, post on Facebook. Post on YouTube. Give me a thumbs up. Comment, tell me what you think about this place. Really, we don't really have a lot of stuff to do. Look at that. It's a homemade nightstand, apparently. Really, other than some outlet covers, like something funky kind of happened here around the panel box. I don't know what that is, but really, there's not much here. Place was in a halfway decent shape, when we got it, so there wasn't a whole lot of stuff done to it to begin with, and it's been rented for 18 months, so hopefully the next tenant stays at least that long or longer. Yeah, other than replacing some outlets and our outlet covers and a little bit of cleaning up and some random stuff, there isn't much. There really isn't a whole lot that we're we're going to do this. I know this kind of looks dumpy, but you know what? They're affordable rentals, and there's not a lot in my market. It's a clean, safe place to live, and I mean, that's, you know, that's what it is. It is what it is, really. But look at that. These old ones. But here's the thing. These old ones, like this right up here, this is all real wood here. So, I mean, it's not like it's, a lot of it you see is press board, or it's real thin. This is all real stuff. Hey, look at this. Look at this too. I see this a lot in these homes. Rather than just getting a curtain or something and putting over the window, or maybe cutting some of that same stuff over there to put there, they just spray painted the window and the door, you know? It looks like the door got kicked in too. I knew coming in that there was something, because you notice, look here, the door's been pieced together and there wasn't a hole drilled for the doorknob. It was just kind of notched out a little bit, so it wasn't really catching. And anyway, but that's yeah, that's it. Looks like maybe they fixed some holes in the walls, got some similar paneling and just cut it to fit. I mean, I don't know. We'll decide what to do with it. But tell me in the comments, what would you do? Would you paint it? Would you just paint the paneling? And we're not going to drywall it, but would you paint it or not paint it? So leave it in the comments and let me know what you think. So you guys have a great day, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll talk to you soon.